Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is group 1 of the embellishment box reveal. So I'm going to jump straight on into it. It's going to be in groups of 4. So each girl, when you get your package, you'll have 3 embellishment boxes because you will not get your own box, of course. Okay. This box set is from JessAntoni. And this one is obviously for me because it's wrapped up, but thank you so much for making one for me. You didn't have to. One of the boxes, a lot of the stuff was in the bag. So I guess I'm going to go through and try to like piece which one they came out of, like a little mystery. But these are the cute boxes. Look at this, you guys. So she added like burlap. She painted the box. She added these little like sprig pearl beads, glued these little buttons. Look at this little butterfly. This one has tickets, flowers. So pretty. So I'm going to open this one up. Oh, something just flew out. Oh, so she made like little earrings. These are Snow White earrings. This one came apart. I'll have to loop that one back on. But they're like little leather earrings. How cute is that? And she put them on a little tag. Thank you. Okay, so she made these for me. She is a small town crafty girl here on YouTube and on Instagram. Thank you so much, Jess. Okay, so look at, she's lined, look at that. She's lined the entire like little embellishment box with these different like style burlaps in teal and then the traditional style burlap. She's included some gems up here, little flat back rhinestones, so cute. Then she's got this cute little dangle right here. Look how cute. She even added a little like charm to it. Cute. Okay, and then over here we have little pearls in different sizes and in colors. And she's included some cute little yellow flowers with a little blink. Lots of little yellow flowers in there, you guys. Then right here, she's got some, oh, look at this trim. She's got a little bling on the center of that. Really pretty pink trim. It's got like glistening stuff in it. And then right here, she's included some buttons. So hopefully that stuff that fell out is just the buttons and stuff, it looks like. Then she's included some little altered paper clips. She put the little flowers on there. Then over here, we have some little like pearl trim in pink. And look at this little like embellishment. It's like a resin piece on a little like filigree, a little heart-shaped filigree. Super cute. There's that trim. Then over here, she has some flat back pearl stickers, like a creamish color, blue and white. Then in this little front pouch right here, she made a little sequins mix with purple, some stars, little teal color, goes perfectly with the box. She has this cute little pink flower applique. Then over here, she has some more of those little binder clips in here. And then she has like little charms and stuff. And you can easily, look how cute. And you can easily, like how she altered hers over here, make some of those yourself. Super cute. Thank you, girlie, for playing and for making one for me. This package is from Wanda. She is Wanda Sweets here on YouTube. And she did go ahead and make one for me. And I do see that she labeled it. It says Toni right here. So I'll open that one up. So look how cute. Let me undo this. I saw her video on this. And she did go ahead and make a little extra goodie for you guys. Look how cute. It's like a nail file holder. And I think she has a tutorial on this, or she said she was going to make one. Says, oh, hey, girlfriend, she embossed on there. And look how cute. She added a little dangle, like a little flower dangle. And I need to do my nails right now. Thank you, girlie. And look at this. She used her little, I think it's the polka doodles? I don't even know. I'm trying to think of the name. She has this cute little fence right here that she's embellished all up with all sorts of little different fabric, foam, paper flower. And this one says sing. She added trim all the way around. There's a little doily in the very back. I can see peeping through a little bow. Super cute. Oh, look, she went ahead and did like a little envelope on the inside. That's a really good idea. And it has a little tag that pulls out with her info. Just making sure her info wasn't on there. Again, she's Wanda Sweets on YouTube and on Instagram. And then she did some of her likes and loves. Little box swap. And this first one right here, she's got these little, I think these are called perler beads. She's got them in all the like pastel colors. Oh, how cute. Look at this pom-pom. It's like a multicolor. I've never seen a multicolored one. And then look how cute these little buttons are. It says handmade with love and they're in different sizes. Little wood buttons. Super cute. I don't have anything like that. And then over here, oh my gosh, look at, she has these cute little buttons. Or not buttons, beads. And it looks like it says It says create. It can spell create, and you can make little tassels and stuff. She added some more pom-poms in here. Fun little furry pom-poms. And over here we have some butterfly wood embellishment buttons. Look how cute those are. Little flower ones. And then we have some little clothespins. Oh, there's even a key in there. We could totally alter. I like this little pointer. It's very handy with the embellishment boxes. And over here we have some little seashells. Totally paint these and alter these. These are great for embellishment boxes. She's got a little wooden spool. How cute. Totally alter that. And then little gems on here, little gem sticker sheet. Right here, this whole little compartment. Oh my gosh. She's got little paper flowers in there in different colors. And then she has a little spool of a washi tape sample. Really pretty floral print. And over here, we have, I forgot what she said these were. Look at, wing. Put these on tassels and charms, I think. And then she's got these little resin bows. Look how cute. They got little bling in the center. Some little pearls. Some little bells. Christmas is coming up. Perfect for that. And over here, she's included lots of little, tiny little soft, super soft tassels. These are like really soft. Look at this cute little angel bead. Look at this little glass bead right here. It's like a Hello Kitty kind of. How cute are those? Oh, a little bow goes on that side. And down here she has some foam flowers, pink with like the tulle in the background. And then these are her little handmade embellishments. She did a little layered flower right here. As you can see, there's two little layers. Then the little like lollipop stick style with a little bow in the center. And she did another one, and then we put the bow down here with a little bling in the center. Super cute. And then right here, ooh, she even made like a ribbon little like, almost like a little like sash style one. Different ribbons and trims, and then a little flower center. Very cute. And then over here, she included a little sequins with this like really pretty like oceany blue in the little corner right here. Thank you, Wanda, for playing. Thank you for making me a box as well. You didn't have to. So this package right here is from Charlene Angle. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. She made these cute little toolboxes, and she's got these gorgeous little centers, these really blinged out centers on the very front, holding it all together, and her information. She made one for me, so I'm just going to open one. So I'm just going to slide this little, I think I can slide it off. Okay, she glued it so it stayed there, so you can easily, so it wouldn't get lost in transit, I guess. So I'm just going to pop it off and then slide it down. Take that off so you could easily reuse this stuff. Look at that cute little like brooch. Oh, it's a pin thingy, whatever those are called. So this is her information. Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So look how cute. She went with like a purpley pretty glam theme. I guess that's the theme. I don't know. I'm making it up. So over here we have little flat back pearls in black, pink, and purple, different sizes. So pretty. And in this very front one, she included tons of these little flat back gems, little like diamond shaped. Then over here we have, she's got little pearls. Oops. Little pearls in a bunch of different colors and sizes, again, going perfectly with the theme. I am frame. I hope so. Then right here, she's got little flat back gems like diamonds again, but in definitely different sizes than these guys over here. These are huge. Bunch of little diamonds. Very pretty. And right here, she's included, whoa, like a million sheets of diamonds, you guys. Look at that trim. It's blue and purples. So, so pretty. I think this box is going to be perfect for like a mermaid swap and stuff. Then we have these. Oh, look at those gems. These are gorgeous. And some pink ones. She had these little stacked up in here. And over here, oh my gosh, look at these. So she made these cute little like paper clip dangles. Look at that little bead. So cute with a little heart. And then look at a little hook one. These fancy little beads on there. So, so cute. Then in this corner, she included beads. And they've got, it's the bead, I don't know if it has a name, where it has the hole on the top. So the beads would like line up like that. Super cute, like a little jade color and then like an ivory color, little tiny ones, all shaped like hearts. Then this, she included 3 different colors of sequins trims. So pretty. I don't want to unravel those. I'm gonna get them everywhere. Very pretty. And then she included, oh, look how cute these bows are. These, I think I have these. These cute little resin, and it comes with black and then a pink one. Totally using that black one for Halloween. And over here, oh wow, what is this? So this is like, you could stick ribbon in this, almost like a buckle kind of, except for it doesn't buckle. I don't know what this is called, like a belt loop or something. Look at that. It is heavy as heck and diamonds all over it. That's stunning. Very pretty, Charlene. Look at this. Okay, this package is from Alvina Diaz. She did make 4, so I'm going to open up one of these. Thank you so much for making me one. You did not have to. Look how cute. Okay, so she decorated this like really pretty rainbow paper. Ooh. Cute little die cut. Oh my gosh, look at that dog. And she put some trim, a little rosette with eyelash trim. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh wait, whew, scared me. Thought that had her address. So Alvina Diaz, she's the Latin Girl 34 here on YouTube. So in here, oh my gosh, these are those cute little like buttons. I know like Hobby Lobby and Joann's and stuff has them. Little mermaid ones. How cute. Look at the little cactus button. So these are all buttons, and then she has some like fancy buttons in there. Then we have gemstones over here, like flat back gems in different colors, like all the rainbow colors, butterflies, hearts, stars. Then this, she has a cute little bow paper clip. I don't know if she might have made this. Yes, this might be one of her made. Oh my gosh, look at this cute tiny little rosette, crepe paper rosette. She has like little die cuts layered up. And this is that leather from Hobby Lobby. Then she has these little paper clips in here on the bottom underneath those little embellishments. Over here, she's included lots of little stickers, like flat back, what are these called? Enamel dots? Couldn't talk. It's so crazy how like certain boxes stay well together and then the other ones like get rocked. So this, she has little beads in here. Oops, I don't want to take them out. She has little heart-shaped die cuts underneath this for you. And then she's got little wood veneers right here in all different little shapes. Arrows, clothes, cars, little button shape. Easily alter those. And she has all these little wood clips that you could easily alter. And she's, oh my gosh, look at this. It's it's little Hello Kitties. They're in blue and yellow. Then she's got some little flowers and leaves in here as well. Very cute. And then these are probably her handmade too. I don't know, she made more. So she made these cute little paper bows. I love this little bow die. I wonder if I have this die. I think I do have this die. I don't know though. She made lots of little paper bows for you ladies. Then over here, she's got this little foam. It's like a sticker. Just take it off the backing. Another cute little paper clip. This little bow, except for I know the heat undoes these bows. Whoops. I just got to put the center back down. I'm going to have to glue that back down. Cute little vinyl bow. And look at this cute little pin. It's a little ice cream cone pin on there. Over here, she's included some trim samples for us. Look at this really pretty white lace, or like a cream colored lace. And then this like pinkish mauve colored lace. Thank you so much, Alvina, for playing. And thank you for making one for me. Thank you, ladies, so much for playing along and joining my first ever group swap. Boxes were beautiful, and thank you for making one for me as well. Again, very appreciated. Thank you so much. Bye, ladies.